Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felz. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button down there. Turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You'll be the first to come check it out. So today I'll be telling you guys the importance of ACV, apple cider vinegar, on your skin. I tried it, it worked for me, it did wonders, guys. And I want you to try it and tell me what you think. So if you have noticed, most ladies do get breakouts when they're about to see their menses. Some of them naturally have the pimples. So if you have acne, you have big pimples, you have pores, apple cider vinegar is going to help. So today I'm going to be giving you guys 4 benefits of apple cider vinegar on your skin. Number 1, apple cider vinegar helps with acne problems. Like, there are some people that have big pores, acne on their skin. Me, I do get breakouts whenever I am seeing my menses or I'm about to see it. What I do is I just mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a little water, dip my cotton wool and clean my face, allow it to sit and have my bath after a few minutes. Most times you don't see results immediately, but after some days you start seeing results. It clears the whole thing and it doesn't spoil my face at all. It doesn't react. Like, my face comes out looking very okay. Like, I don't even get to complain that, oh, my skin is bad, oh, my face is this. Oh no, because I have apple cider vinegar. Sometimes when I am out of my soap or cream and I'm having that breakout, I don't want to go to the pharmacy to complain that I need a certain cream to help me with my face. I just do the home remedy, which is apple cider vinegar, and when I do it, I feel better because my face thanks me. So number 2 on my list will be, it can help you to fight foot odor. Yes, there are some people that have very terrible foot odor that when they remove their legs from their shoe, you can perceive it. The smell of the whole place spoils the smell of their legs spoils the whole place, spoils the whole environment. So what you have to do in this case is just get your apple cider vinegar, dip your cotton wool in your apple cider vinegar. Just use it to clean the middle, all the holes that you have on your legs, on your foot. Just use it to clean it, and then do it for some days. You will thank me because I'm sure it will work. I know it is very effective and it has worked for many. It will work for you. Another on my list will be, apple cider vinegar is a good home remedy for bug bites. Yes, there are some environments where you have lots of bugs, mosquito, ants, and so many things that you cannot even place it. What you do is, when you have those bug bites, just do the same thing. Use your apple cider vinegar and your cotton wool to clean it. You will notice that apple cider vinegar will give you a flawless clean. It will clean that your hand so well for you that you would not even know that there was a bug bite there. It will even clean the scar that the bite would have left if you had not taken care of it with apple cider vinegar. Another on my list, which would be the final tip, is ACV can help treat nails infection. Yeah, there are some people with very bad nails infection. Just clean it with ACV. Continue to do it. You will see improvement. You cannot sit at home having ACV and you're complaining of a lot of things when you know that this thing can work. It is a natural remedy. It helps a lot. There was this time when I had very massive breakouts during this lockdown. I couldn't go anywhere. I couldn't really go and get my cream because my cream, I live in Aba and my cream and soap are being sent from Lagos. I pay for them online and they ship it down to me and I collect it. I just say they will bill it down to me and I collect it. So I was having this massive breakout because I was out of my cream, out of soap. Everything was over and my face was just disturbing me. So I just tried the apple cider vinegar method. I did it. In 2 days, I just noticed that it even worked better than what my cream would have done. Yes, it did. So if you are having pores and holes on your face and you have tried a lot of remedy, it didn't work, why not give apple cider vinegar a trial? Try it and I know that you will thank me. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you like this type of content, still give it a huge thumbs up. share it with your friends. Guys, I can't overemphasize it enough. Let us grow this family. Subscribe. Tell your family and friends that they want to get this channel high, that this channel deserve more view, this channel deserve more subscribers. You know, the subscribers and the views also motivate. Even though I have not been making money, or someone has not been making money from this from the channel, at least if I know that there are people out there learning one or two things from me, it will ginger me to continue to put out content. Anyway guys, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.